مدارس الطالب الذكي. القرآن حياتنا نحو جيل إسلامي أمثل.
In the name of Allah, dear my smart students, how are you? I hope you are all well. Today, a new lesson in our unit, A Point of View, Unit 8, Lesson 4. Please bring your student book and open page 82. And also we are going to have workbook page 69, and our lesson is going to be about grammar. In our lesson, we are going to read and understand a short text using first conditional and first conditional plus unless, and also to understand and practice correct use of first conditional. Now, my smart students, on page 82 in your pupil's book, what can you see in this picture? What is the difference between these two tigers? Yes, the tiger here, which is up, is in captivity. The other is free. Do you feel sorry about that one? Yes, I am with you. I agree with you. Poor tiger. Okay, now we are going to read a paragraph about the animals, and please concentrate on the words in bold. Okay? Read. You will see many different animals if you visit a zoo. If it is a good zoo, the animals will have plenty of space. If it is a bad zoo, the animals will probably be in small enclosures. Some people believe that all zoos are bad and that if a wild animal is held in captivity, it will suffer from stress. It is true that if a tiger is kept in a small cage, it will pace up and down. If a lion is born in captivity, it will never learn to hunt. It will not have the chance to use its natural instincts. Unless people are given the correct information about zoos, they will go on visiting them. Unless they are aware of animal cruelty, they will not understand that wild animals should be free. Now, if we concentrate on these words in bold, you are going to notice that they are either in future or in present simple. Do you know why each time we put here future and here present simple? Try to think. Yes, here we have the word if. Let's read this sentence to make it clear for you. If it is a good zoo, the animals will have plenty of space. If we concentrate here with the word if should be followed the first sentence with present simple and the other one with future. Also, we have another word that present simple and future come with it. What is it? Yes, unless. What the meaning of unless? Unless means if not. You can consider it the opposite of if. Read this sentence with me. Unless people are given the correct information about those, they will go on visiting them. Here, the same with unless. It takes after it present simple here and then future in the second sentence. The rule is the same as if, but the difference is in meaning. If we can consider it the opposite of unless. Activity 2. In activity 2, we have sentences that on the left and others that we match from this column on the left with this on the right. Are you ready? Read with me. If a zoo is good. If a zoo is bad, a tiger will pace up and down. Wild animals will suffer from stress. A lion will not learn to hunt. If a lion is born in captivity. Now we are going here to match the sentence number 1 with the right one from here on the right. Can you guess with me? If a zoo is good. Yes, animals will not be held in small cages. And if a zoo is bad, animals will not have plenty of space. A tiger will pace up and down if it suffers from stress. Wild animals will suffer from stress if they are held in captivity. A lion will not learn to hunt if it is born in captivity. Yes. If a lion is born in captivity, it will not have the chance to use its natural instincts. If we concentrate in this sentence, we have read them, we will find that if should be followed by present simple, and then in the second sentence with future. If should be followed present simple, then future. If we make quick revision about present simple, I, you, we, they, it should be verb in infinitive. But he, she, it should be verb with s or es. Also, the future should be will plus infinitive. In activity 4, we are going to practice using unless. As we said before, that unless means if not. If people do not understand animal behavior, they will not spot the signs of stress. Now, if I want to replace the word if with unless, we should omit if and the negative word. Okay? It will be unless people understand what disappear from here, if and not. Yes, that's right. Unless people understand animal behavior, they will not spot the signs of stress. Let's do another example to make it clear for you more. If a wild animal is not given enough space, it will suffer from stress. As we said before, if I wanted to replace unless with if, I should omit if and not. The sentence will be like that. Unless a wild animal is given enough space, it will suffer from stress. Now, you are going to do on your own the rest of this activity and make practice on using unless and show your teacher. Activity 4. We're still in a student book. And we have here two verbs that should be in correct form in these gaps. If a wild animal in a cage, it soon depressed. I want to put live in the right form and also become. Here I have if, and we have agreed before that after if, what tense should we have? Yes, that's right. You are a clever student. Present simple. A wild animal. Is it plural or singular? Yes, you are also a smart student. It's singular, so it should be with S. Live, it will be lives. Here in the gap, we should write lives. In a cage, it will, after will, here, become. We want to put it. We have agreed that if is followed by present simple, then in the second gap, shall we put become? Yes, it will become. Will become. After if, here we should have present simple. In the second place or in the second sentence, we should have future. Will become. Thank you. You are so smart student. Now, our homework. I am going to make it clear for you and do them and show your teacher. He is waiting for you. Here in activity 1, in your workbook, page 69, match the sentence beginning and endings. Write the letters. You are going to match here the sentence, okay? Read them well and guess how can I complete the sentence in a correct way from the column in on the right, okay? Activity 2. What we have here in activity 2? Oh, use unless. Rewrite the sentence, use unless. How can I do? Yes. Now I'm going to replace unless with if and don't. We shall omit if and don't to write unless. The sentence will be unless we protect them, many animals will become extinct. Also, if we want to make this, we are going to write unless and then omit what? Yes, I hear you. If and don't. Unless you travel to the Arctic, you won't see polar bears in the wild. Yes, and do the rest on your own and show your teacher. We still have another homework on workbook also, page 69. Complete the sentence with the verbs in practice, and we have did that before in your student book together. In one of them, you are going to put here, you should underline if and see what the verbs should be here. After if, you are going to put the verb in present simple. Here, it will be in future. After if, present simple. Before if, future. Yes, you are so smart student. Activity 4, use your own ideas to complete the sentence. You are going to complete it on your own from your thinking If I finish my homework quickly, what will happen? I will go to university. If what? Study hard? Okay, I advise you to study hard. Unless we practice every day. Unless we practice every day. Huh? What? What will happen? Unless we practice every day, we will forget our lessons. Yes. We won't succeed unless we study hard. This a kind of advice for you, and you can continue your sentence on your own as you think of it. This is the end of our homework, and this the end of our lesson. My advice to you, unless you brush your teeth every day, they will go bad. If you don't brush your teeth every day, they will go bad. This is the end of our lesson. Thank you. Goodbye.